never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that
Welcome to Salaam Souk, one night in Istanbul. This is a culturally immersive bazaar experience, and we want to give you the feel of Istanbul so you can walk through the Grand Bazaar here as we speak. We have over 75 stalls right here in the Grand Bazaar. So shop your heart's content through the wonderful alleys, colorful alleys, and make your way to the exotic spice market, where you can get oud, bukur, honey, and actually you can also sit down at the Sublime House of Tea for a cup of Turkish tea. Once you rest your heels, make sure you make your way towards the Souk al-Libas, where you can get the top fashion and ace your fashion game. And it doesn't stop there. If your pockets are empty, guys, then you head to the Mehfil-e-Sama, where you rest your heels and enjoy the stage experience. We have a fashion show. We have a Shame Sufiana by Mannat the band. We have aerial artists. It's a Cirque du Soleil trio performance with LED angels and fire artists as well. And then we have all our restaurants there. We have restaurants from Kareem's to Rule's Burger. We have Papa Roti. We have Istanbul Express for all of your Turkish foods. And all you social media junkies, we have a lot of photo booths like this. So make sure you go up there and take a photo in your photo booth and tag us. We also have a lot of Salaam Souk filters, so make sure you scan the Salaam Souk filters, upload it on Instagram and tag at Salaam Souk India. And this is the feel of Turkey you have, guys, right here. Colorful, vibrant, festive. Everybody is shopping, their heart's content. This is the Grand Bazaar. Be Turkey or India, guys, you really can't get away from chaat. So here we have Bombay Chaat House, and you have a delectable spread, be it masala puri, pani puri, everything, something for everybody, as you can see at the bustling Grand Bazaar. So follow me and we'll walk over to the exotic spice market. And here we are at the exotic spice market powered by Sublime House of Tea. Here you can sit down, have a cup of Turkish tea, walk with me, maybe we can taste some. How does that sound? Can we taste some tea?
Blue pea flower tea.
You have what?
Blue pea flower tea.
So they have blue pea flower tea and some Turkish tea as well. So let's see. Alright guys, when they say blue pea, they mean it. This is legit stuff. Okay? Moment of truth, Meda. Moment of truth. Guys, very refreshing. I have a long day, otherwise I would be right there, sitting down and sipping this all day. Thank you so much.
Try to go with it, Kara.
I might need it.
Yeah.
Exotic dry fruits, they have honey, they have tea. What else do you have?
Spices, a bunch of like festive gifting options. We've even got cookies, cakes, and other like snackable items from our cafe. It's right next door.
Super. This is Sublime House of Tea, guys, and they have a cafe at UB City as well. Alright guys, so we have a lot of photo booths in the Grand Bazaar, so feel free to make yourself comfortable, go trigger happy and tag Salaam Souk India on Instagram. Don't forget, this is Salaam Souk happening here at Mahal Palace. We still have a lot of time, so if you haven't come here already, you must. We have our diamond sponsors, Motherhood Hospitals. We also have Axis Bank, who are our preferred financial partners. This is the team at Axis Bank, and these guys are our diamond sponsors as well. We have retail exclusive partners. We have a kids' entire fashion booth here. It's called Tasu by Patels. As you can see, it's a very crowded store, and they've been doing extremely well.
We already see a lot of you having a great time.
This is the store that had a fashion show last year as well. They're one of our retail partners again this year. So make sure you do come and check out your amazing collection here at Souk.
Wonderful exhibitors. Some beautiful
So this is the face behind the brand. This is the Rouge collection. Would you like to tell them anything about Salaam Souk?
Salam Souk, what we tell about Salam Souk, it's a place where like everybody is amalgamated, so many brands, so many, ladies, some upcoming brands, and it's excellent, people are excellent, shopping is excellent.
That's exactly what we want to hear. Thank you, Rouge, very much. And guys, we have our Salaam Souk coconuts. Alhamdulillah, it's a really good day, but if you are hot and thirsty, this is exactly what you need. So don't miss it. Mo Coco, Salaam Souk, embossed coconuts, guys. All right, let's come on over and see what else we have. And now, guys, welcome to Souk Libas. We are in the fashion corner. So if you are a fashionista, this is exactly the way you should be heading. So as you can see, all the fashionistas coming down. This is Souk Libas.
For the pioneers in the field of outdoor catering,
We have more photo booths. A little crowded, as you can see right now. Guys, don't forget to tag us Salaam Souk India.
Convention Center, which is an impressive wedding venue located in Bangalore. Single Convention Center offers a spacious banquet hall.
This is the Souk Libas, guys. As you can see, you have wonderful stores all around, up in your fashion game. Whether you need a bias, whether you need a little, you can see. Can I see that real quick? Hello, hi. Can I see that real quick?
Hi.
Guys, the quad sets, very fashionable, very 2022. So you guys can catch your best fashion game. There you go. There you go, guys. This store is Dream Machine at Souk Libas. And guys, you always save the best for last. So here we are entering the Mahfil-e-Sama. Here we are at the Souk Laziz, guys. So if you're hungry and if you're tired of shopping, maybe you should sit down and grab a quick bite. So you have some amazing, you have lassi slushy, you have the baklava company. If you want kunafas and baklavas, you have Resto Cafe, you have the Nizams, you have authentic Calcutta rolls, and then of course you have Rashid Catering for biryani. So guys, this is Souk Laziz, and let's head over to the Mahfil-e-Sama. That's where the magic starts. Your entire family to Salaam Souk happening today, 29 January at Mahal Palace. As you can see, the ladies are tired of shopping and now they're resting their heels with some yummy biryani by Rashid Catering.
Experience all the fun excitement.
We have our entire stage lineup. As you can see, here the MC speaking. Starting from fashion show. goes down to Sufyan Sham by Mannat the Band. We have another fashion show, and most importantly, we have a show-stopping aerial trio. So you're going to have fire, you're going to have aerial, and you are going to have LED angels. So you do not want to miss this. You absolutely do not want to miss this stage lineup, guys. It starts at 5 o'clock and it goes all the way up to 11 p.m. Here, right here on the stage at Mehfil-e-Sama. And guys, no experience is complete without food, right? So here we have Istanbul Express by Taj Chichabaz, and here they are serving the best kebabs and Turkish food. They have mandi as well. You absolutely do not want to miss this, and it's served by these in costume Turkish servers. Do not miss this Turkish experience, guys. Istanbul Express by Taj Chichabaz. Lewis Premium Burgers, guys, they're all over Bangalore and Mumbai. Lewis Burgers by Souk. Gourmet burgers, fresh goodness. You can't miss Lewis Burger here. Close up. And then for everybody with a sweet tooth, here we have Zed the Baker. If you have a sweet tooth, guys, this is exactly where you have to be. So you have macaroons, you have danishes, you have eclairs. So if I haven't convinced you already, you should be here. Guys, it doesn't get more authentic than this. Think you're in Cappadocia. Here you have a hot air balloon. You can sit in it and dine with your family. Doesn't take off, but it does make you feel like you are in a hot air balloon. So hot air balloons here with a dining experience for all you guys. Alright kiddies, you gotta get off your iPads because this is exactly how we did it back in our day. You have a train, you have the boat, and you have an airplane. So you can absolutely take your pick of choice. We have a Ferris wheel as well and a pirate ship. So all these kiddies enjoying themselves at the amusement world.